first I will draw a circle of 3-inch radius and then select the edge and increase the number of segment. Now draw another circle of 48-inch radius. This time select again the edge and increase the number to make it smoother. And now draw a line, select only this segment of the line and create a copy just by, let's say the angle should be 360 and I need 20 steps, so these are the 20 steps. Now this is the one step in plan view. I will just copy it. The remaining I will make them a group and paste this step again to its place. Let's say here, and I will offset let's say 0.125 inch and copy this inner segment and paste it, let's say 6 inches, because I want the riser to be 6 inches. Now drawing a curve along the red axis, and the radius will be, the bulge will be 3 inches. Select this edge and increase the number to make it smoother. Now select this edge again and create a copy of this curve. Select all these and make them a component. Double click on it and delete these outer lines only. Okay. Now draw vertical lines of 1 feet. Copy this curved segment and paste here. Create same for the lower edge as well. 12 inch, 12 inch. Select this edge, copy them and paste them. Now draw two different curves, let's say from mid of this line up to here until this it changes its colors. So let's say it's fine. Another one, and delete these segments and just rotate it or flip it vertically and do the same for the other side as well. And delete these. All right, now delete these two edges. Now since I have the component only these lines, I will select this component and create skin by using Curviloft tool. This is fine. Now make this skin a component as well, and I will just delete this skin. Let's say deselect this and I will delete these extra lines. Now you can see that I have deleted those extra lines. Now create a vertical copy. Since the number of steps are 20, so I will create 19x more and now you can see that by selecting, you can see that there are total 20 components. This time I will go to this Cubic Space plugin and click on it, and I will select this circle to be the center of this arrangement. Now you can see it still needs more work. Let's say I will select this upper edge and this time move it to 10 feet, delete this one, and similarly select this lower edge and 10 feet. Now selecting all these steps and making them a group. Now I will just draw 2 cubes, make them group. Now I will select all these groups and intersect them with model. It will take a little bit of time.
One eternity later.
Delete these 2 cubes and explode them again and again. Now it is just a single shape. Now let's say I will select only this segment, because by intersecting that it has already drawn the edge, and I will delete these extra lines, and I will do the same for this segment as well, and done. Now select all and make them a group. You can see that these are only the surfaces, and these steps need a little bit of thickness. So I will go to this push pull tool and select any of the surface, and I will just extrude them to 0.5 inches.
One eternity later.
Now you can see that the stairs are made, and if you have any kind of confusion, please do ask me in the comment section. Thank you.